This elongated tropical fruit, with softly pulpy flesh enclosed in a soft, usually yellow rind known as a banana, is one crop that can be harvested every week, which is a cash flow blessing. But what if this cash flow bonanza is in danger?
My name is Janet Cooney. I'm General Manager of the Banana Board, but I'm a trained plant pathologist. I want to highlight, taking this opportunity to highlight TR4 disease, which is a disease that is not yet here. And I must point out, even if it comes, you can eat a banana. It doesn't affect the fruit. I want to point that out. I don't want to hear when it comes. Sorry, if it comes, people don't eat. It will never affect the fruit. However, it will affect the plant. It is capable of killing the trees. It is capable of spreading quickly. It is capable of wiping out our industry.
The TR4 disease is caused by a fungus that prevents the banana plant from receiving nutrition and water, causing it to wilt and eventually die.
We are concerned because the disease was always on the other side of the world. And then it jumped to South America in 2019, in Honduras. Then it jumped from there to Peru in 2021. And January 2023, it reached Venezuela. Venezuela is next to Trinidad. People move between Trinidad and Jamaica. It is also possible to spread to Guyana. People move between Guyana and Jamaica. So we have been on this alert for a while. I will tell you, the official ramp-up alert was from 2019. However, we in the Banana Board has been on the alert long before that.
TR4 disease can be devastating, as seen in countries such as Mozambique, which incurred debt of over $200 million per week to repair the damage it caused.
The minister has put in place a national task force from 2019. Banana Board heads that. We are co-hosts with, co-chairs with Plant Quarantine Division of the ministry. So we are attacking from all fronts. The national plan that we have is live and active.
We are guarding a very important industry and a very important crop. And we're going to also guard the positive trends that we've seen in terms of banana and plantain production.
When we tell persons to look and see, and we circulate all of these to the farmers so they can see the disease and match it. It can remain in the soil in a spore state that we call the chlamydia spore. We're not going to tell you. And it can stay in that form, not looking alive, for 30 years. And when you grow a banana beside it in that, and it goes through the roots, it can infect that plant. It can remain in a dried leaf. You see the leaves that you use to make the hats and mats and stuff? It can stay in that same form for 30 years. And when you put that in the soil beside a live banana plant, it can reside. We're also engaging the farmers to do some things, to prepare themselves. We're telling them to put a footbath at the beginning of your farm. If you can fence your farm, fence it. If you have vehicles that must drive on your farm, you need to put a vehicle bar. We also ask you, everybody who comes on your farm, write down their names. If we must backtrace, just like COVID, we have to backtrace in order to keep it curtailed. If you see anything that looks strange, call the Banana Board. Yellowing of the leaves is the most obvious sign, but I'm telling you, it can yellow for a number of things. Call us.